Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade channel. Today, I would like to present an opportunity for any of you that might be working in the trades and looking for contract opportunities. Some of you may be aware of opportunities in the industry of project management and facilities management. So, for those of you who may not be aware, there are companies out there looking for skilled technicians in the trades, and a lot of corporations have allowed these companies to handle all their facility maintenance services. So I want to share the company I am most familiar with, and they are called Vixo. This is the page that you see on the screen. They're looking for reliable contractors in the trades such as HVAC, food and beverage, refrigeration, plumbing, sign and lighting, electrical, exterior, interior services, commercial handyman services, and many more. So there's plenty of opportunity for steady work. This can allow you to work with brand name clients and grow your business. Some of the benefits on becoming a partner with Vixo are new opportunities to grow your business regionally or nationally, connect with new clients in your service area, and they can help provide a stream of steady work you can rely on. They also provide an all in one payment portal system, which makes it more convenient to receive payments. They will match your clients with your expertise, and they will help you establish your company to exceed your performance goals. To look into this opportunity, just go to the link, which is this page, and I will also put the link below in the description area. And when you get to the page, you can just scroll down until you come to the service provider contact information, and go ahead and fill out the contact information fully, fill it out completely, and then press submit. Once you press submit, that will allow you to be put into the Vixo system, and not too long after that, they usually get in contact with you right away to um, get your more of your company information and your service area and stuff like that. And I know this is going to help a lot of people who are in the contract industry and who are looking to grow their business as contractors or as service technicians. Um, I feel that it's a good opportunity to really grow and get your even to get your business off of the ground. You can start off small with Vixo, or you can go as big as you're capable of. So I hope this is a helpful video for you, and please feel free to leave any comments and or questions in the comment section, and let me know how things work out. I would be very interested to see if any of you were able to, land some jobs in with Vixo or through Vixo, and I'd like to also see some of your success stories in the comments also. So take some time and go ahead and sign up with Vixo, and let me know how everything goes. I appreciate you guys watching. I look forward to doing more videos, and I thank you all for your support. Thank you very much. Take care. Stay blessed.